Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the last Sudoku, a binary Sudoku. So let's get started. We have here a double O, here one, there one, here double O, here one, there one, here double one, here an O, there an O, here double O, here one, there one, here double one, here an O, there an O, here double one, here an O, there an O, here double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one, a double one, here O, there O, a double O, here one, there one, between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O, and then between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. And now I need to count. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1, double one, here an O, then O. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O, 1, 2, 3. This is number 4. The fourth O in a row or in a column, there's always 4 O's or 4 ones, because this binary puzzle is 8 by 8. 8 boxes by 8 boxes. Alright. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here and O, then O, double O, here and one, then one, double one, here and O, then O. Then 1, 2, 3. This is number 4, the fourth O. Between two O's comes an 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and one, then one, 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. This is number 4. Double one, here and O, then O, between two O's comes an 1, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this is number 4. Oh, could be there, could be there. I need to choose. Can I put the 1 here? Do we have an identical? Yes, we have an. This is an almost identical column. In this puzzle, you cannot have identical columns or rows. 1, 1, 1, 1, O, O, 1. Here also an O. So this cannot be an O, otherwise this will be 1. So I need to switch. This should be an O, and this should be an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O, so the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, there no. Finished in 3 minutes. Alright. That's very fast this time for a binary Sudoku. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you the next time, probably tomorrow, with a bunch of Sudokus. So thumbs up if you like, thumbs down if you dislike, subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again, and see you next time for a new edition. Bye bye.